Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create pivot table in Google Sheet, and also I will show you how to analyze data using pivot table. Okay, so how to do it? Here you will see this is the table. On the basis of this I will create that pivot table. Okay, and then we will find out city wise total sale amount, city wise total quantity amount, product wise sale amount, and highest and lowest sales of city wise highest selling product. Okay, so first we will create that pivot table. Now you have to select whole table, then go to insert, and here you will see pivot table option. Click on it, then insert to, you will see two options, new sheet or existing sheet. So I want to create in new sheet, so just click on create. Then first what will we get, or what will we find out, that city wise total sale amount. So what you have to do, for the city wise total sale amount you have to add row for city. Okay, then for in values you have to sale amount, add the sale amount. Okay, then you will see city wise sale amount. Okay, sum of the sale amount of city wise. Then second thing, city wise total quantity sold. So for the total quantity you have to just cut the values this sale amount and add sum of the sale quantity each for each city. And so here you will see this is Chennai 20, Delhi 14, Kolkata 13, and Mumbai is 17. Okay, this is the sum of the sale amount and this is sum of the quantity. Now third thing, product wise sale amount. So for the product wise you have to add in the columns product. So this will be the product wise sale amount. So this is the product wise sale amount. Okay, laptop, mobile and tablets. Now fourth thing, city plus product combination. Okay, for the city plus product combination, this is the city plus product combination. Okay, now if you want to just find out the quantity. Okay, so this is the quantity. Okay, product quantity. Okay, then highest and lowest sale city. So for the highest and lowest you have to just select descending. Okay, and sales, in sales you have to choose sale amount. Okay, and in column you have to choose product. So here you will see this is the product, sum of the sales quantity, sum of the this is product, and this is mobiles amount. Okay, sum of the sales amount. Okay, city wise. Okay, now I want to just remove this quantity. Okay, then now you will find the laptops amount, mobile, this is the product wise sale amount. Okay, now fourth thing, city wise highest selling product. So city wise highest selling product you will see laptop, mobile. Like this you can create pivot table, okay, in Google Sheet. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.